It's time to set up your new stainless steel Dowelling Jig system. Step 1. Take your angled bracket and remove the center knob. Step 2. Place your Dowelling Jig plate onto the angled bracket and screw it back down. You can do the same with the optional miter bracket, if that is what your joinery calls for. Step 3. Using the laser etched line on your angle bracket, align it with the measurement that is half the width of your board. Then, scribe a line with the included indents on the left or right side of your jig. Step 4. Position your angle bracket by either matching the centering point or viewport on your newly scribed line. Clamp it down. Step 5. Set your drill bit depth marker just over 50% of the dowel length. This can be done using a piece of tape or with the stop collar included with our optional drill bits. Step 6. Drill away. We designed this jig to work with just a few simple dowels or more complex patterns to suit your joinery needs. Once you're done, put everything back on your custom wall bracket for easy access the next time you need it. Bonus tips. This jig is designed for more complex patterns to achieve even stronger joinery. We've added guide bushings equally spaced apart, allowing you to create one or multiple rows of dowels. For example, here we've created a 3-2-3 pattern. Once your first work piece is completed, align your jig with the center line of your corresponding piece and repeat the same process. Now you have a joint that is built to last. If you ever want to join the long edge of two boards, you can also utilize the stainless steel indexing pins to equally space your dowel holes or align those holes to your corresponding piece. To learn more, go to JessEm.com and continue to take your woodworking skills to the next level.